Oh, why did I sign up for this today? So the water is not gonna go anywhere. You just put the water here. Okay! Hello, beautiful people. Good morning. Dzień dobry. How's everybody doing? I hope you guys are doing amazing. Welcome back to another episode of Mommy's House Renovation. Here I am again. And today, I will be one of the workers. Yes, you heard it right. I will try my best with my energy, endurance, and power. I'm gonna be helping Atan and Uncle to work on Mommy's house. All right, so they are now doing the inside. My uncle is rendering the inside, so I'm gonna take you guys on the process on how they actually do the rendering. Okay, so that's gonna be from start to finish. Yes, we have a very loud motorbike. Okay, so first things first, we have here the fine sand. As you guys can see, we still have a lot of fine sand. I'm gonna have to put my hat on because it's super duper hot now. So it's gonna be Atan and I that's gonna do the sand, guys, okay? So this is my shovel. It's super hot. Okay, so the ratio is 1 cement and 2 sacks of fine sand, right? Okay, so we have to put the fine sand right here, guys. Atan has his, and then I'm gonna put here also. Yeah? Okay. Okay, ako rin. Okay, ako pala. Okay, ready? So we have to make the fine sand full because that's the ratio, guys. I really thought it was 1:3, 1 cement and then 3 fine sand, but I'm wrong. You have to do 2 fine sand only so that the mix will stick to the wall. If you put too much fine sand, it's not gonna stick to the wall, guys. You have to make it very full, eh? Anak lang. More? Okay. Okay, we have to make it almost full, guys. So that's 1. My gosh, my muscles is working today. This is my workout today, guys. So this is the construction MJ for today. This shovel is actually pretty good. It's not very heavy. See, I can actually get a lot. See, I'm Atan's assistant in mixing. Okay, now we're gonna bring it over there. Hala, patay ang spinal cord, guys. Boy, this is very heavy today, guys. We just drag it. And then we need to get water. Okay, so here it is. We have umbrella right here because we have to mix it. Is that enough or we need more? Enough na? Okay, so I'm gonna get the water, yeah? So we have to get the water, guys. Let's transfer it here. Right now, we're gonna get the water. Let's go. Whew, that was only 2 sand. And I'm already catching my breath. So we have here a barrel of water and we just put the water here in the bucket. So I don't know how much water do we put in the mix. I think Atan just calculates it. Like he's just eyeballing it. Okay, so I think this should be good. I think I can carry this one. Okay. Right, let's go. Oh, this is heavy, huh? Okay, here we go, guys. Let's put the water here. Okay, so we have here 1 sack of cement. So Atan made the fine sand flat. So now he's gonna put the cement onto the top. So the cement, you have to be careful because it's very dusty. Alright, so now he is putting the cement, guys. Now we're going to mix the fine sand and cement. So this will be a lot faster, a lot easier if we have the automatic mixer. But we don't have it, so we just mix it ourselves manually. Manual labor. Everything in the countryside is manual labor. At least we have this big umbrella that is giving us some shade, because this is hard job, you know. So we just mix. There it is. My gosh, I think I'm gonna have to have a massage later on. I can feel my arms, you know, and my back as well. This is hard. This is very hard to do. Whew, that was hard, guys. Hard work. Imagine doing this in the heat of the sun. At least here we have some fresh air. Kapuyag giday anig ko mix. Now what he's doing is he's making a hole in the middle. So as you guys can see, the hole is right here. So now we have to put the water. So this is the bucket of water I got from the barrel. Do I put everything? Oh, we have to get 2 of these. So we put it in the middle. So this is the reason why he has to make the hole, so that the water will not escape. It's gonna stay in the middle. Okay, now we're gonna go and get another bucket of water. Let's go. They're watching me because I'm the worker for today. So here, let's get another bucket of water. Guys, we have less than half of water left. So by the time we finish this water, what are we gonna use later on? Oh, we need to ask for more water. So Atan said we have to put 2 buckets of water. That's why we're getting here. Okay? Okay. That's enough. Let's go back there. So if you work in construction, you need to be very strong. You have to be very fit, because you have to carry things, mix some things. Okay, now we put it all. So you have to do it slowly so it doesn't overflow. See, guys? Putan pa? We need to add more. Na lang? Okay, so now we have to mix. So Atan is just putting some of the mix on the side. You have to do it slowly, guys, so the water is not gonna go anywhere. This is like a volcano that just erupted. Look, it has a lake in the middle. Alright guys, so this is how the mix is looking now. So Atan just slowly mixed it earlier. So now he said I can mix it myself. So, hala. Guys, we have to do it slowly. Oh. Ugoy. So, this is how it looks. Guys, this is harder to mix. You know why? It's very sticky and it's a lot heavier. It's going everywhere now. Oh, this is very hard, guys. Oh, you're gonna hear me complain. You know why? Oh, it's so hard. It's very heavy, oy. It's very sticky, that's why. Imagine. Oh, I'm already tired. This is so hard to do. Wow. Shout out to all construction workers out there. You guys are the best. Thank you for doing your job. Because of you, we have malls, we have infrastructures, we have good houses, we have roads, everything. But if you're doing manual labor like this is the hardest job ever. Guys, look. Can you help me? You have to mix it. It's like clay now. The thing is, you cannot make this too wet. It cannot be too dry as well. It has to have the right mix, the right texture. Ooh, I love that wind. In order for the mix to stick to the wall. So I think this needs more water, like a little bit of water. But let's try to mix it first. Oh. See, I'm getting there. I think I'm gonna have some in my, I'm gonna have, what do you call this? Luto ba? It's getting red now, see? Whew. Oh. Why did I sign up for this today? How much is my rate? 500 guys for my labor today. Look at that. Scarlett's helping me, guys. Oh. Kapoy. That's actually heavier than this. See? Oh, wait, wait, no. Oh my God, what are you doing? It's hard, pangga, yeah? Oh. This is ready. I have mixed it thoroughly. We're gonna put it in the bucket because we're gonna transport it to my uncle since he is doing the rendering. Okay, let's go inside. Okay, let's go here, guys. Let's follow. What is the next thing to do? All right, so here it is. Let's go, let's do it. So my uncle is just measuring the thickness, so they have a guide where to stop. So that's why you guys can see there's a nylon or something. He has to put that, so they will be guided. Okay, they're using this one, a trowel. I don't know what you call this. I think I am right. And then you do it like this. Okay, I'm gonna try it later on. Okay guys, so we're now here inside and we're gonna do the rendering. My uncle is gonna teach me how. So, haman ako, Abi. Like this. Oh. Okay. Ikaw sa una, Bi. How do you do it? Oh. Ah, that's easy. Like this, guys. You'll just have to stick it to the wall. And then, you have to do it like this. Okay. Alright, let's try to do it. Let's see. Okay. So you have to mix it a little bit, yeah? Okay. So this is the trowel. And like this. Di lagi mo pilit. Okay. Oh. Okay! Ano sa di ay? Okay. Guys! It's a disaster. Oh, this is so hard. Look at this. Kaya ako kuno. Look at what happened.
Ilaptik ba?
Dayon. Be. Okay. Be.
Anak.
Okay. Anak. Anak. Okay. Oh. Oh my gosh. Oh. Okay. And then, anak. Oh, it's going everywhere. This is how you do it, guys. It has a technique, you know? It's not quite easy. If you don't know how to pitik it, like, there's a technique. See, my uncle is very good. He's actually very quick at this. Let's do it one more time and then we're gonna leave them alone.
Ilabyob.
Ha? Anak?
Ano ba?
Oh. Oh, like this, see? Okay. Oh, this one is hard, guys. So we're gonna leave it to my uncle na lang. Okay, so yeah, there it is. Okay, so there it is, guys. This is what they're doing. This is how the rendering is in the Philippines, and this is the result. Surprise. Okay, see? My uncle is very quick in doing it, guys. Oh, very good. So Atan is doing the mixing and my uncle is doing this, the rendering. Ah, there you go. So finally, they're now working here inside. I'm gonna show you the finished walls that they were able to do. But yeah, so far, they're working on this one right here. Look at this. Oh, we're gonna have to shower again. Yeah, but that was a good experience. When I was watching him doing the rendering, I really thought it was very easy, but it is hard. It's like you have to do it like this. Oh, look. See? That's a skill. Oh, he's been doing this all his life, so this is very easy for him. There you go. Hello, I'm done with my job for today as a construction worker. Guys, it was actually super hard. Shout out to all people that are working in building houses, buildings, malls, roads, pretty much everything. You guys are the most hardworking. You guys are the best. Keep it up. That was a really hard job to do. Okay. So I've already changed, cleaned up a bit, and we are gonna be making a dessert. So we're gonna make mango sago. So I have here a lot of mangoes. Mangoes this time is very affordable. It was like 120 per kilo. So that's like $2. So we have here 5 mangoes. And I'm just gonna cut this very thinly and tiny. And then we're gonna pair it with nata de coco here and also sago. And it's very good, especially now that it's summer, it's very hot. Look at this mango. Oh, this is the perfect mango ever. So I'm gonna cut the mangoes like this. And then we're gonna mix everything. You know, we love mangoes. We love anything sweet.